Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Sucheta. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare special, different and very tasty vegetable pulav. Along with that, raita. Please watch complete video without skipping for detailed recipe. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notifications of all my latest videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Today I am preparing vegetable pulav that is somewhat in different way. So that I have taken here basmati rice. Today I am using around 1 cup of basmati rice. I have washed it and now I am transferring it to cooker. For 1 cup of basmati rice I am adding 2 cups of water. And then little salt. You can use whichever rice you want. Today I am using basmati rice. I am adding little ghee so that rice won't stick to one another. You can add oil also. I am adding 2 pieces of cinnamon, 2 to 3 cloves, 1 elachi, that is cardamom, and small piece of bay leaf. Now I am going to pressure cook for 1 whistle. I have added 1 more piece of bay leaf. Now I will pressure cook it for 1 whistle and then I will show you. Now I have taken here 1 cooker. For that I am adding green peas. Now I am adding few vegetables, that is beans, carrot and potato. Now I am adding water. Little salt for taste. And little sugar. Now I will pressure cook these vegetables for 1 whistle. Now I am preparing masala for vegetable pulav. For that I have taken green chilies, around 5 to 6 green chilies, little garlic, around 1 inch of ginger, and then few onions. I am adding freshly grated coconut, coriander, little pepper, around 1/4 spoon of pepper, and little cinnamon, 2 pieces of cinnamon. Now I will grind this. By adding water I will grind this. I will make a fine paste. Now masala paste is ready. Now you can see rice is also cooked. Now I will transfer it into separate big bowl and I will allow it to cool slightly. You can see as we have added little ghee, the rice won't stick to one another. Now I am transferring it to separate bowl. After transferring it to separate bowl, allow it to cool. If you want, you can add 1 spoon of ghee, or you can use oil also. Mix it very gently. Let it cool. I have taken a one pan and I am adding oil. I am adding little jeera. As I have used all spices while preparing rice, I am not using much more spices today. I am adding little star anise. Now I am adding one chopped onion. Little curry leaf. We need to cook it until onion changes to little golden brown in color. You can do it like this in pressure cooker also, but I am showing it by mixing masala with rice today. Now you can see once onion is slightly fried, now I am adding fresh chopped mint. Fry it for around 30 seconds in oil so that the flavors will be released to oil. Now I am adding one chopped tomato. Until tomato gets soft, we need to cook this. I am adding little turmeric powder. You can see the length of basmati rice. It's very big. And it won't break also. See, you will get the rice as whole itself. Here you can see tomato is also soft. Now I am adding the prepared masala paste. After adding masala, we need to cook it well in such a way that raw smell of masala should not be there. For preparing masala, we have used all the ingredients as raw ingredients, so we need to cook it well. Now you can see oil is also coming out. Now I am adding curd, around 2 to 3 spoons of curd. I am using today homemade curd. This will give extra taste for our masala. Now I am adding little garam masala powder, around half spoon to 1 spoon of garam masala powder. If you want, you can use biryani powder also. Here you can see vegetables are also cooked. Now I am adding the cooked vegetables to this masala. If you have cauliflower, you can add that also. Now I am adding salt for taste. After adding vegetables, mix it well. Now we need to allow it to boil. This same procedure you can follow it in pressure cooker, and then you can add rice and water and you can pressure cook it. Now masala is also boiling. Now I'll switch off the stove. Now you can see masala is ready. I am getting good aroma from masala. Here rice is also cooked. I am going to mix this prepared masala with this rice. You can check the quantity, how much you require, and you can add masala. If you want, you can add fried onions also. And while preparing masala, you can add paneer also. After mixing this, I am adding fresh lime juice. As per taste, add fresh lime juice. And I felt that I need little salt, so I am adding little salt also. Once again I will mix this. I am adding little ghee. This is for extra taste. It will give good taste and good aroma. After adding ghee, mix it well. Now my special veg palav is ready. Now I'll show you how to prepare raita. Here I have taken very little ghee. As I have added ghee already, I am using little ghee. And I have taken few cashews. This is optional. I will fry this cashews in ghee. I am using this for garnishing. You can mix it also. While frying the onions also you can add cashews. Today I am using it for garnishing, so I am frying it separately. Now I'll switch off the stove. Today I am preparing raita by using few ingredients: cucumber, chopped onion, grated carrot and little coriander. Now for one bowl I am transferring chopped cucumber, onion, carrot, grated carrot and coriander. Salt for taste. And little sugar, this is also for taste. Once mix it well. And now I am adding curd For this also I am using homemade curd. Today I am not adding the jeera powder. If you want, you can add jeera powder also. It will give you good taste. Now raita is ready. And if you want, you can add tomato also. I am not using tomato also today. Now raita is ready. You can see this. And now you can see special and different vegetable palav is ready, along with raita, and it's garnished with cashews. Hope so you enjoyed my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notifications of all my latest videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.